SAWGRASS Country Club is the only oceanside gated community at the beaches, and it is arguably the hottest real estate market in town. This stunning home on Lake Kathryn Drive is among the best of the best. All brick and nestled under decades-old oak trees adorned with Spanish moss, it is an impressive setting. Inside, open spaces. Notice the beam ceiling, the upgraded crown molding, and the hardwood floors. The kitchen, granite countertops, stainless appliances, and custom cabinets, functional and beautiful. The attached guest house is a home within a home with a laundry room, bedroom, bath and kitchen. Upstairs is a gym, office, and balconies overlooking the pool. Back in the main house, a large owner's suite with a coppered ceiling and spacious bath with double vanities, a large walk-in shower, and soaking tub. Up the main stairs to a large game room and more guest suites. This home has 5 bedrooms, 7 baths, 2 half baths, and an office. More than 7,500 square feet. Lots of space to congregate in this green lanai with a summer kitchen. The pool has a spa with an automatic cover. Grab some vitamin D, breathe in the fresh air, and enjoy the nearly private backyard. Soak up the sunshine and live in quiet luxury in SAWGRASS Country Club. Call Kim Martin Fisher or Jennifer Martin Faulkner for appointments.